Hello everybody, it's 2-1-5, welcome back to another video, and today we have another unboxing, and sorry if I feel like a little tired. Hey, that's because I am tired. I think tired now. I'm gonna try to be as quick as possible. So today we're gonna be unboxing, it's gonna be a short video today, we're gonna be unboxing the Sonic the Hedgehog Funko Pop. I finally got one. I got one, and this little thing right here. I didn't even read this. I'm gonna have to read it is a, but I got the one that goes in dark. That goes in dark. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Guys, we're gonna get him out. Let's get him out. Oh shoot, he fell out. All right, Sonic. All right. Oh, he can't get turned. That's screwed. Alright, here's Sonic. Alright, here's Sonic holding the ring. Holding the ring. I love Sonic. And although, if I had one thing to complain about, it was to be like the eyes. I do not like that they added the goggle shaped eyes into it. I think would like it better if they didn't add the little eye whites as all around. That would be a little bit better for me. Alright. Now that he's to see if he glows in the dark. Glows in the dark. See if he glows in the dark. Let me just turn this around. Sorry. Alright, so I don't know if you can see him, but he does actually glow. Pretty cool. He glows. Alright, so thank you all for watching. Sorry this video is so short. I'm real tired tonight. I didn't deny that I think we'll go bed early. Alright, I enjoyed the video. And until then, I will see you on the next video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.